Hello friends, today we'll be talking about tool analysis in graphology. Graphology can unveil many parts of your personality like your communication, behavior, your career, health and intelligence pattern. So choice of tool do play a very important part in one's molding of the personality and all. So we'll be talking about different kinds of tools which are available, and then the impact and our affinity towards choosing those pens. How does it affect our personality? So we'll start up with a ball pen. Ball pen is widely used by many people around, and sometimes due to comfort zone or so, we are so much affinated towards usage of the ball pens. So if you are a kind of a person who love using ball pens in your normal day-to-day life, then you are a rigid and a stubborn personality. Along at the same time, you are passionate enough to complete your work on time is the characteristics of using of ball pens. If you are a person who are more affinated towards the usage of gel pens, any kind of gel pens, be it any colored gel pen, like so, in that case, you are a person of an ambivert nature. You are neither too introvert, neither too extrovert, and you just try to finish off your work with a mediocre approach. That's an approach towards usage of the gel pens. Then, if you are affinated enough to use pencils in your regular, write-ups, like you feel using your pencils every time while making the notes or while writing any kind of phone numbers or anything. So in that case, you end up into a weak-willed individual who lack confidence at times in public. You are not able to present your true self, and you are trying to restrict your communication, is the effect when you are more tempted towards the usage of pencils. Then comes the fancy pens. Like if you are in habit of using, say, sketch pens or the kind of those lavish pens which are available in the market or so. So any kind of fancy pens, with different colored pens or different kind of accessory based pens. So in that case, you are a person who basically believes in show off. You are a person who try to get attention from others, kind of an attention seeking personality, and you are a kind of a person who believes in luxury. At times, we never judge a personality. So whatever the pens you are using, you should use it with confidence, and with the help of a knowledge around, you will be there to evaluate the kind of the life you are having. So it is always advisable to use the same kind of a tool during your situations. For example, if you are into a student life, like toddlers or a primary age group, then the usage of pencils is good, because at that time you do not have so much of a strength to cater or so weak will make sense. But once you grow up and you start earning, or once you are into your teenage, then you should start using gel pens, because it will make you a more ambivert personality. And once you are settled into your life and you are earning, and then you have your family and everything, then yes, at that time you should be passionate enough towards the bread earnings of your family. So usage of ball pens is advisable. And then comes a time wherein you have fulfilled all the responsibilities of your life, and then in that case you are there to enjoy the luxuries and everything. Then you can use those lavish pens which are of high cost available in the market. So I hope this knowledge will give you a 0.5% insight into the graphological first step of analysis. In case you wish to know more about graphology and this subject, then you can read the caption and do catch. Thank you so much.